First avalanche in the Sierra this year. ABC 7 Eyewitness News reporter Suzanne Fawn continues our team coverage with a look at some recent avalanches. Suzanne.
So avalanches are common in the Sierra. The Tahoe region alone sees as many as 40 reported slides each winter. Most of them are in the backcountry during winter storms. They are dangerous and sometimes deadly. In early January, a 42-year-old snowmobiler from Oregon died in an avalanche in the same area as the latest avalanche, the Castle Peak area of Nevada County. That's just west of Truckee. Authorities have warned about the serious risk of avalanches in the Tahoe Basin area. Chris Thomason of Bend, Oregon, was killed as he and 4 companions were snowmobiling in the area. Authorities say the people involved were experienced snowmobilers wearing appropriate protective equipment, including avalanche beacons. According to the National Avalanche Center, each winter, 25 to 30 people die in avalanches across the United States. In January 2024, a 66-year-old skier was killed in an avalanche on the ski slopes of Lake Tahoe. Kenneth Kidd, a resident of Truckee and Point Reyes Station, was killed. Officials say Kidd was caught in an avalanche as wide as half a football field on the KT-22 run at Palisades, Tahoe. According to the National Avalanche Center, high-risk spots for avalanches include Utah and Washington. Areas of considerable risk for avalanches include parts of California, Colorado, Idaho, and Wyoming. Back to you.